Welcome back again to another Activia training video. We're looking at shortcuts now for font formatting in Excel. So here's some data. Let's just quickly get all the columns set up properly so the data fits in. Here we go. It's flat data that's been copied over. There's no current formatting as such in there. So we can do a few bits and pieces, a few tricks to sort this out. First off, if I am inside the data, Control A will select all of the data. Then I can go and set the fonts to a suitable font that we want here. You've got a big list of fonts. Some are better than others. So I'm just going to go for Candara. Things like the headings, if I click in A1, I can do Control Shift right arrow. So it selects just that set of headings, then Control B for bold, Control I for italic. And from A2 I'm going to do Control Shift down arrow, Control I for italic, just to get that first column in italics as well. The order dates have pasted over as a number here, so that's not very good. So again, I'm going to highlight those, setting those to a date. You know, if you come over on the Home tab, we'll choose short date in here. That's sorted out that problem. And these need to be a percentage, so I'm going to hit the % button. The price per unit, I can do Control Shift and 4 to get that to currency. Same for order value. That sets those up. Other bits and pieces, let's reselect the whole table. In the font section here, we've got a border tool, so I'm going to change that to all borders just to box this off nicely. Maybe I'll go and turn off the grid lines, so go to View and untick grid lines. So it's starting to take shape. If we want some colours in here, we could also go and use the paint can, the fill colour here. So again, maybe select the headings, set that to a nice light or dark blue here. The rest of the data I'm going to change to a sort of lighter blue. If we want the order value stuff to stand out, so I'm going to highlight that and change that colour just to a slightly darker aqua blue colour. So it's starting to come together fairly quickly there. As far as the data goes, the spacing and so on, I'm going to reselect the whole table. We've got the alignment tools here, so I can set it all to left aligned. You've got center, right aligned. Maybe center's okay for what we want here, that's good. So it's just some quick tips with formatting here and getting that ready for maybe a report that needs to go out. Obviously from here you could convert that to a PDF or just print it off or just save it in the latest Excel format, and away you go. So hopefully that's helped out with just some quick shortcuts and bits and pieces for formatting. Quickly, other stuff you could do, I'm going to reselect it. The font size you can change, but you've got big A, little a. So I can increase and decrease the font size at the top there as well. And I'll just select it all, double click between A and B just to make sure all the data fits in nicely. There we go. Zooming in and out, you've got Control and the scroll wheel on the mouse. It's all ready to go, and then just hit save. I'll see you again soon on another Activia training video.